Hey guys, today I will be doing my 3 personal favorite Nerf guns. So let's go old to new. Okay, I think that's how it goes. Okay, the oldest one is the Hailfire. Because if you're like a sprayer, this would be the perfect gun for you because it has like multi mag slots. You can just slide in there and just look here how sick this is. That's just sick. And then the Zombie Strike long shot. I don't have the scope because I took it apart. It has the barrel attachment, so that's nice. And it's a really good sniper. It has range if you put the Retaliator barrel on it, and surprisingly, the Retaliator is not much. It's not in many people's arsenals, but it comes with a stock, a pistol, and a barrel. It comes with grip, but I don't have grip, so. Well, I don't have it. And it's really good. It's top primed. 1, 2, 3. 3 attachment rails. The Hailfire has 1, 2. So, yeah. The Zombie Strike has 1. That's for like the scopes. So those are my personal favorites. In a sec, I will do personal worst.